How to add border in PowerPoint slide. How to add border in PowerPoint slide. So click on design and page setup. How to add the border in PowerPoint slide. So click on insert, shape and select this box. Draw your box here like this, or make the as you need like this. I want to border in this style. Now double click on it or right click and format shape. So in the format shape, select the no fill. So we have this border, and here in the line color you can select any color. You can adjust size here and close it. So this way you can add this PowerPoint slide border. Thanks for watching.